Hi guys, I'm Maddie, and today we're going to be reading What's That Noise? Here we have the table of contents, which just tells us everything that's going to be in this book. A noisy start. We all make noise. We start as soon as we are born. Noise is measured in decibels. A baby crying is 60 decibels on the noise-o-meter. That is as loud as my alarm clock. Shh, I'm sleeping. Some people make noise in their sleep. Snoring can be 70 decibels on the noise-o-meter. That is as loud as a drill. That's a pretty loud snore for someone to make. It's as loud as a drill. Feeling noise. People who are deaf can feel noise. Evelyn Glennie is a deaf musician. Noise makes things vibrate. Evelyn Glennie uses vibration to help her play. So even though she can't hear the noise, she can feel it through the vibrations or like something shaking. Evelyn's music is 95 decibels on the noise-o-meter. You can see that she's hitting the drums. Those are pretty loud then. Breaking glass. The human voice makes vibrations. Some singers can break glass with their voices. A loud note can make the glass vibrate and crack. That's so crazy that someone can sing and it can break a glass. Wow. Lift off. A rocket flying into space makes lots of noise. The engine is so loud it hurts your ears. Warning! Noises over 140 decibels damage your hearing. So if you're around something that's really loud, you should probably wear something over your ears, your earplugs, to make it so it doesn't hurt your ear and damage your hearing. Under the sea. The loudest animal is the blue whale. Whales make noises that can travel long distances under the water. Blue whales can hear each other from very far away. The blue whale is the biggest animal and the loudest animal. That makes sense that they're the biggest, so they're the loudest animal. But they're underwater, so I wonder if they're still the loudest all the way underwater. The biggest bang. The loudest noise ever heard came from a volcano. The volcano was called Krakatoa. It says Krakatoa to help us say it. It made a bang so loud that people could hear it in other countries. That is 190 decibels on the noise-o-meter. That is really loud that people in other countries heard it. Making a noise. Here we have a noise-o-meter. So breathing is 10 decibels, so that's pretty quiet. Talking is 50 decibels, so when you're having a conversation with someone, that's as loud as it gets. Baby crying is 60 decibels. Loud snoring is 70. Drums banging is around 95. Loud singing is around 100. Thunder during like a thunderstorm is 120. A rocket taking off is 150. The blue whale calling is 180. And the Krakatoa erupting, the volcano, was 190. That's all we have for this book. It was really nice to read with you guys, and I hope you guys have a great week. Bye.